Taste the best salsa you have ever had, all while dancing to the best salsa music in Old Town for the 10th annual Old Town Salsa Fiesta. That's right, 10 years. Here with us this morning, we have last year's first place salsa winner, Janet Cordova. Welcome. And then we also have Tierna Unrienos.
Yes.
Oh, I was so close to
okay.
getting it. All right, and you are the marketing manager for the city of Albuquerque.
Yes, I am.
Okay,
Yes.
so welcome to both of you. First off, let's talk about the details of the event.
Well, we are encouraging everyone this week to sign up if you've got a great homemade or family recipe, or if you just want to be experimental. We've got until Friday for people to sign up to be a contestant. Janet won last year and she had a great time. We've got a great first prize is $1,000, so it's definitely worth it. Second prize is $500 and third prize is $250. In addition to that, just come on out to the event. It's September 13th. You can eat all the salsa you want. We've got amazing salsa bands throughout Old Town. So yeah, it's a really great event.
Okay, question. So to sign up, is there a fee to sign up or to enter yourself?
It is $25, and you do have to take a class with the city's environmental health department.
Okay.
But we'll set all that up for you. You've just got to go to cabq.gov, and you'll find the application, and you fill it out by Friday, and you're in.
All right, so you guys, if you're at home and you go, oh my gosh, everybody tells me I have the best salsa, Janet's like, don't sign up, I want to win again. But Friday is your deadline. Okay, so Janet, the winner, the reigning champ. Tell us about your experience last year.
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. You got to meet a lot of great people. It's a lot of hard work, but well worth the outcome. I had so much fun.
We have about 2,000 people who probably tried your salsa,
really?
so there's a lot of people.
And you were saying people at some point in time were just drinking it. It was so good.
Just throw the chip and eat the salsa just like that, and some people were like, I wish I had a hamburger, I'd throw it right on there, you know. It was a great experience. I made 10 gallons of salsa in 2 hours.
Holy moly.
It's a lot.
That's a lot of salsa. Okay, so speaking of making salsa, you're going to throw together a little bit for us. Now, don't give away your secret recipe, but give us some tips about making a good salsa.
Making a good salsa, you just got to make sure that it's seasoned well. Some people like it spicy, some people don't. You just got to make sure that when you're putting it together, no matter if it's the tomatoes, jalapenos, and onions, season it well. Make sure you don't forget the lime juice.
All right, so what do we have here? Let's start mixing this all up.
Okay, so we got some tomatoes.
Oh my goodness, you've got beans and onions.
Black beans. We can't forget the jalapenos.
And we were talking earlier that yours is not too hot for those of the people, for those who maybe can't handle a lot of the heat. It has some spice.
Yes, it does.
Just enough that you don't have to, your mouth doesn't have to take a break from the heat.
It doesn't have to take water or anything. We got some radishes.
Oh my gosh.
And I made a little bit of tomatillos. Some mangoes.
Oh my goodness. All of this just sounds marvelous.
And the mangoes add a little bit of a sweet balance to that spicy jalapeno.
And some corn, some white corn. And some black beans.
Jiminy, this is so much going in here. I love it.
And this is just my recipe, you know.
Yeah, everybody's got their own.
Of course, we have a little bit of cilantro. Of course, some people like it, some people don't. Of course, we've got cumin, coriander.
Okay, so as you continue to keep mixing this up, guys, on the information on your screen here, coming up September 13th, 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock in Old Town Albuquerque. And keep in mind, Friday is the last day to enter if you want to take a shot at being the best salsa maker here in Albuquerque. Not just here in Albuquerque, you were saying we have people coming in from Las Vegas.
We do. We have a contestant coming in from Las Vegas, Nevada. We have people coming up from Las Cruces. You know, this is our 10th year, so we're definitely getting a name for ourselves. It's a great prize. So it's definitely worth traveling for.
Word is getting out, that is for sure.
And people love to come and just eat the salsa.
Yeah, we were talking, who doesn't love salsa? So if you want some more information on this event, you can go to casa.com and click on the Casa blog. Look at that beautiful salsa, you guys. September 18th, I believe it was. You can head out and you can get all kinds of salsa. And you know what? Throw your hat in the ring. Maybe you have the best salsa in town or in the state or in the Southwest. All right.